Cooking here is pretty great, right? You make these incredible meals 3 times a day for kids who love it. And you're at summer camp, right? Kids are doing these amazing, wonderful, crazy, weird things, and cooks are a part of that. I can even think of Banquet, where we completely transform the upper lodge. We have all these decorations and spend days doing it and make new doors, and it's one of the highlight meals of the summer. And our cooks go all out creating food that fits with the theme, and it's usually multiple courses. And this one time during COVID, we had to do the banquet outside for all the restrictions. So the cooks made all the food and loaded it up on a truck and drove it out to a field. And they made sure they got it put on the tables and they're serving from the back of the truck and really doing their part to make sure the camp magic could go on even with all the restrictions we had to have. And the head cook finally announced the meal like a rock star. Everyone was so excited. And it was this spectacular meal under the sunset. It was beautiful and kids loved it, staff loved it. And when we think of cooks who do great at farm and wilderness, they are folks that also want to be a part of the community. They want to go out, ask people how their food is, and go play and be a part of the summer experience. Working here, you're not just cooking, you're creating camp magic.